Imagine a bustling city with cars zooming by, people rushing to work, and buildings towering high. Now, translate this image into a data-driven environment. Every person, every car, every building becomes a data entity, and every interaction becomes a transaction. Managing such a colossal amount of data can become a daunting task. This is where SQL stored procedures, functions, and joins come to the rescue. Dive into the world of SQL stored procedures first. Picture yourself as a chef at a busy restaurant. There are orders coming in from all sides, and you need to prepare meals quickly and efficiently. SQL stored procedures are like your pre-prepared recipes. They are a set of SQL statements stored in the database that you can execute whenever needed. This eliminates the need to write the same code repeatedly, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Think of the stored procedures as your secret sauce recipes. They are stored safely in your kitchen, and you can use them whenever you have to cook up a specific dish. Just like calling out a recipe, you can call a stored procedure in your SQL code to perform a task, be it updating customer records or processing transactions. Next, let's explore SQL functions. If SQL stored procedures are your recipes, SQL functions are your cooking techniques. Whether you're sautéing, grilling, or baking, these techniques help you manipulate the ingredients to create the desired meal. Similarly, SQL functions allow you to manipulate your data. They take inputs, perform a specific task, and return the result. For instance, consider the task of preparing a vegetable stir-fry. You need to chop the vegetables, stir-fry them, and serve. In SQL terms, chopping the vegetables could be a function that splits a string of text, stir-frying could be a function that processes the data, and serving could be a function that returns the final result. Lastly, SQL joins are like the tables in your restaurant. Just as tables bring people together, SQL joins bring data together. They allow you to retrieve data from two or more related tables based on a related column between them. Imagine a regular at your restaurant who always orders the same dish and sits at the same table. You know this customer's order by heart, and you know exactly where to find them. This is akin to an SQL join, where you know the relationship between the data in two tables, and you can retrieve related data quickly and efficiently. Now, you might wonder why these concepts matter. Well, SQL stored procedures, functions, and joins are the backbone of efficient data management. They allow you to perform complex tasks quickly and consistently, saving you time and resources. They also enhance data integrity and security by limiting direct access to the database. Remember, stored procedures are your pre-prepared recipes, functions are your cooking techniques, and joins are the tables bringing your data together. Master these concepts, and you can cook up a storm in your data kitchen. So, the next time you find yourself lost in a sea of data, remember the bustling city analogy. Use SQL stored procedures, functions, and joins to manage your data efficiently, just like a top-notch chef in a busy restaurant. And that is the art and science of SQL stored procedures, functions, and joins.